Hey guys, today I will show you how you can delete messages you sent in Telegram. This works for desktop as well as mobile. So for example, you send this message but you want to delete it. Just tap on it and tap delete. You can delete it for everyone so no one can see it anymore, or you can delete it just for yourself by checking this out. But if you want that nobody can see it, just tap this and tap on delete. So now the message is gone. No one can see it anymore. You can also change a message you send. For example, if you want to change this to hi instead of hello, just tap on it and tap edit, make it hi, and boom, it's edited. So you can also delete this again, delete for myself or for everyone. Tap on delete, and it's gone. So it's really easy and doesn't require any hard work. So if this helped you, please subscribe and I see you in the next video.